when we built this building, we were looking at investing in some new equipment and our technology and infrastructure to move forward. So we started talking with a lot of different digital label manufacturers or press manufacturers, HP, Durst, Domino, the big players in the industry. And after a lot of reviewing and meeting with the sales teams and seeing what products that they could produce, Domino was the best fit for Impact Label. And I think one of the things that really put them across the finish line was the support that we saw from them, the non-pressure that they were trying to just sell us just to make a sale. They wanted to be there to be a strategic partner with Impact Label.